3 myths about modeling. There are many myths about modeling that can easily be debunked, so you can start strutting your stuff on the runway or posing for print gigs. If you've heard about any of these, you aren't alone. These misconceptions keep many young people with big dreams of modeling from getting their start. Here are 3 of the most common myths. Here is the first myth about modeling. The first big myth about modeling is that you must be tall and have a very slender physique. Simply not true. There are modeling opportunities for everyone, with more than enough opportunities to go around. So whether you're getting a late start in the industry, you're the shortest of your siblings, or that don't fit into a size 0, there is still a chance you can get into the game. Modeling takes talent above all else, and knowing the tricks of the trade is what counts. Knowing how to pose, smile, tilt your head the right way, and learning which angles are your best is key. These are the things that photographers and the clients who hire them will be looking for. Companies often want to work with models who represent their target market, the types of people who will be buying their brands. Chances are good if the look you have is marketable and that you can market yourself. Here is the second myth about modeling. Another common myth about modeling is that it's easy. Modeling is much more difficult and demanding than it looks. Shoots take hard work and often require long days or can span across multiple days. Those who've been in the business for a long time know that there's a ton of prep work that goes into a gig, and this often starts days, weeks, and sometimes months before. This preparation work is to ensure that everything the model does helps them to look their very best, from meal prep to exercise and everything in between. Every detail counts, and there are many ways to make sure that their hair and skin look great, any bloat is eliminated, they don't have bags under their eyes, and that overall, they look and feel their best for the day of the shoot. Here is the third myth about modeling. A third myth about modeling is that you must be in New York or Los Angeles to stay busy. Although it helps to be in a major city, many companies run marketing campaigns in every state and need models for their ads. This means that photo shoots are happening everywhere across the US, and you may be happily surprised to find that there are in fact opportunities for you close to home. This is where your internet skills and knowing how to properly navigate online job boards can be critically important. Certain social media groups post gigs all the time, and many businesses have Facebook and Instagram pages they use to share opportunities. You just need to know where to look. There are many myths about modeling that keep potential rising stars from even giving it a go. Yes, actors can be models. Yes, there are many different types of modeling, i.e., print, high fashion, fitness, plus size, and everything in between. Yes, men have equally as many opportunities as women. It's almost more difficult to not get booked once you start looking. Debunking these myths and misconceptions about modeling can help you build the confidence to get out there and give it a shot. To learn more, feel free to sign up for our free virtual open call. On this free virtual open call, you will learn about the recent changes in the modeling and acting industries that is opening the doors for more job opportunities. You will learn cutting-edge ways to gain access to a steady stream of high-paying modeling and acting jobs in your local area. You will also learn how to receive continued online training workshops that will prepare you for that big audition or casting call. Click the link below to register now.